Hello, welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a traditional meatball sub with store-bought sub rolls. So first thing you want to do is get your store-bought sub rolls. Go to any store, Walmart, anywhere, get your sub rolls. What you want to do is, I had this one pre-cut, tricked you. Anyways, so you cut it open nice and straight so that you can toast the insides. Now because we're making traditional sub rolls, I'm just going to go ahead and toast it with just butter. You can use olive oil, some seasoning, just spice it up, do whatever you want, but today's just traditional. Don't forget, hit that like button so I can show you more videos. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. That also helps. Alright, just get some butter. Some more butter. Do both sides. Then you want to toast it. Let's go. Alright, here's how I toast my sub rolls. Get a flat skillet like this. Put it on there. If you put the first one on, it's not going to be that quick. But if you do more and more and more, it's going to be a lot quicker because it'll be heated up. That's why we're just going to sit here and wait for this one. While we're waiting that to heat up, we'll go ahead and put our sauce in the pan. I'm going to use traditional. That's why I call it traditional. You can make your own sauce, use tomato paste, use any kind of thing you want. Marinara, I hear, is a good choice. But we're just going to use traditional sauce. This is where your meatballs are going to go in. That'll coat your meatballs in a nice sauce. Otherwise, you're just eating a hamburger, you know. Anyways, got that started. Got this started. Now I think our roll is done. Flip it over. That's good enough. If you like it darker, crunchier on the inside, softer, it's up to you. This is good enough for the first bread. Now I'm going to use store-bought meatballs. You can make any type of meatballs. You can home make them. Whatever you want. Grab this. And then we just stir those in there. Get them all nice and coated.
2 hours later.
While that sauce is nice and boiling, get them all nice and evenly coated. Let them swim in there. There we go. Let them dunk
2 hours later.
it in there. Dunk them in there. Like I said, you can have any type of meatballs you want. Store-bought meatballs is quicker. Traditional. And you set that to medium. Let that simmer. And you cover it. You stir it frequently, just to make sure. We have our meatballs in the pot, right there. We have our sub rolls ready, enough to feed a bunch of people. Let's get these cheesed up. And nothing says cheese like provolone cheese. And nothing says meatball sub like provolone cheese. What you do is you place your cheese on there just like that. Now you place your meatballs on the sub like so. Then you simply fold it over like so. Make sure you get them in there. That is your meatball sub. Just like so. Get in there.
Bye.